Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will show some work with the DTF for the Epson series model printers. That is one, the new for market. This is for A4 size, and also this one. Another series model, A4 size. Okay, because we know that especially for the white ink to be print with the DTF print. So the latest video we were working on how to do a DIY with the printer, the Epson model. Okay, so with the modify for the DTF, we should have a class system. This is a brand new made by Full Color company. So we'll try to open what inside the box. Okay, they have a sheet instruction papers and have a sticker, a template here. After we open the soft packing here, some parts and tools in bag. Okay, here have a power connector. Okay, and the plastic, the ink tube connector, and also this set of ink system, especially for our DTF. Okay, so all of this should be work with the Epson series models. Okay, let's see what's inside of the ink system. So here have a 6 the ink bottle, especially for white. It includes the mixer and also the circulatory system inside. The normally colors cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and also here have another one. It's a label WT. This one should be for receiving the waste ink. So it means here have a waste ink bottles. Also, when it's running the full, it should be give the beeping. That means we need to be open and clean the waste ink. Okay, this the bottle, and also here have a transparent the windows that we can see the ink lever. After we do some print, that we can see if the window showing the ink running the lower, that we need to refill the inks in halves. Okay, turn around, that we can see here have the power connector, and here have a button. Okay, this one control for the mixer, and this one control for the white ink circulatory systems. So we can also be adjust the speed. Okay, so these are the mostly the function with the ink systems. We also can see the colors and the design are most complete with that. With the original Epson, the models can be set up together, that we can see the colors, the design. Okay, so later the latest step we will try how to connect the ink system with the original A3 size L18050 models. Okay, before we're ready to modify with the printer, which that ready some the tools like a screwdriver, okay, a small piece, and also this cutter, and also the gloves, and also something already inside with this packing. Okay. Okay, the first step which should be to move the top covers. Okay, remember here, two pieces screw on the top side. We move them. And the last piece. Okay, turn the cover this side. Here have 1, 2, 3, 4. Move this 4 piece of screw. We can move in these covers. Now we can move in this cover out. Just turn the side, the back side, then move out. And also the cover we are already moving. Okay, now we need to connect the power for the printer. That's to be moving the coverage in the middle side of the printer. We are going to connect the power. Okay, this will be. And now we are turning on the printer. Even the coverage moving up, we do fast power cut. Now we can easily to moving this coverage left to right. Remember, before you modify this printer, you should be keep that printer is normally working on. It means it's a brand new printer or a working printer. Okay, so now we're ready to move in the left side and the right side the covers. Okay, another piece. And also the back side. Okay, so all the screw will move already. Ready to take just two cover out. Okay, now move the screw already ready to moving this cover out with the tools here. This side we can do a little bit, should be out. Okay, and here this side to be turned on. And now ready to move them in back side. Okay, so the left side the cover we are already moving out. Okay, we turn around the machine. We're ready to move in the right side of this cover, and after be left side. Remember, here have 3 pieces of screw. This one, okay, and open this cover here. Okay, now try to move another side, the right side. Okay, here to be open the tool open a little bit, and under this button where should be the header locker, and here a locker here. We just try here to be okay. So now this should be opened. Okay, the next step we should be to open the front covers on the top. 1, 2, 3, and open this side. 4, 5, 6, 7. We need to move all of this screw. And here, remember, last piece. Then that we should be can be moved the cover out, and also the front cover. Here should be have some the locker here with this side try to move them. Okay, get them open. Okay, so we can move this piece out. Now we are trying to move in this part, the cover for the ink tank. Normally here have four piece of them, so we can move this one out first, just this one to be okay. And then now this piece screw. Okay. This one. This one. Remember here, the front cover, open a little bit, then the smaller one here. Okay, to move. Then we can move this cover also. Now that we can see the ink systems or ink tube, then we're ready to connect the ink tube with the ink tanks. Remember here also have a cover for ink dimples. We also need to open them also. Okay. Okay. Then this cover should be moved. And then now we can see each dimple of them. This step we are trying to connect the ink systems. Okay. It should be at the right side of the printers that we're ready to connect. Here to be this side, but normally this cover should be cannot throw in the covers. So we have something to do. Here have a template. This shed have a template. Okay, this one should be some tool. We need some. Okay, that's the holes we need to open here. Try to move this transparent sticker. Okay. Stick them. Oh, maybe so. Try. Yeah. So those two sides keep straight. Okay. Now we can try to open the holes here. In the packing, we have a tool. In packing, we have a tool. Just open these covers. We can easily to be open this hole as the mark. This mark. And also this one should be some more, and one by one after we can cut in here using for the demo get one hole here. Just take some minutes. Be carefully to. Okay. Okay, this hole should be opened. Then the one by one should be take some minutes. Okay, at last, that we should be get the one like this one. That we can try to be throw all the ink tube here. to see, this one should be the ink tube should be thrown in. Even you want to lock this part with this tank, that's possible. In our series tools, we have the plate. They have a plate. Okay, with the series, the packing, we have a tool can be opened as one. Even this, the ink tube through the holes. We can lock this part with the ink tank together. That means you also can be set up the ink tank only behind the right side. Now this part will help you to lock them together. That it may be more easy to moving. Okay, these parts have a spool. Okay, then we'll try to lock them. Yeah, it works. And the list. Now this locked with the parts. Okay, so here that we can see this two already marked with W. W means it's connected with white colors. Okay, before we're ready to connect the power, we should be to move the ink tube from the waste ink tank here. Okay, move them, and then here. Okay, give it here, and this ink tube moved from the tank. Okay, this is all the brand new printer. If you have already worked printer, be carefully, the ink will get leaking here in this step. Okay. Okay, this is already moving out. Now we are trying to get the cover back of the machine. Okay, here will be get liter. Okay, now this should be set them back. And get the cover. 这上面是下面的。上面。现在这个上面是吧？Set them back. Okay. And now we are trying to lock this part first. Okay, this cover should be locked. Now we are trying to connect the ink tube. We can see here the original ink tube, the white color, and our ink tank, transparent colors. Okay, remember this white with ink for the white inks. It means here. The white inks. Now we should use the cutter here to cut this side. Broken parts. And also this one. Okay. Cut it. And or this one. Okay. Also this one. Okay. So we are ready to connect the ink tube with the original ink tube. With the ink tank, this all transparent. We can see the first one, this one, the first piece. This working with this one working with connect the waste ink bottles to cut. And this one we also do cut here. Then we are trying to connect the seats. Okay, then we are trying to set them. Okay. One more check, make sure there is no clunk with the ink tube. You're trying to set up here. This place to be more well. Okay. And then now this one get a label the white. We are trying to the first piece. Okay. One more check and set them in place. Okay, this one finish. And the last one we're trying to connect at this side. And then now try cut. Okay. Okay, And then now finish mostly all of the ink tube here. Okay. Okay. Now finish all the connection of the ink tube here. Remember, the first piece and the last piece for white colors, and this is white for sending the ink. Be here running here. Then the first. Now we finish the ink tube connection. Try to check. Yes, it's easy to move without any clank. Okay. Now we are trying to connection this ink dimples here. We may need two type of difference. Two type of difference. One. Okay. The first piece like this type here, and for the end here. Okay. Moving these parts. Use some cut. Cut here. And just easy to connect this part, this side.这里不是那个。And this one should use this tab. Okay. Get a cut one. Okay. And also connect this first. Then we just be cut here. Okay. Try to connect. And okay, even we try to connect this part, we maybe need to be a little this part, this ink tube design. We open, we turn off or open this one to be used this connector, this side in the end of this channel, the place. Make this one in straight, and this one, okay. Like this size, cut here. And then do connection. Once we connect this ink tube and set up to both sides the ink straight, it means the ink running white ink secondary system running here into first damper and running here through the two sides the second damper, then running back. Okay, everything passed. We are set back. Okay, it's soft. Okay. Okay, after we finish connect this ink tube, that we need to move this two pieces of screw again. That we need to be cover back this part here. Okay. Okay, so we need to be take a little bit back. Now we are trying to install this first, then put them back, and now ready to screw them back. Screw back the first piece here. This is the one. Okay, and okay, this cover we install back. Now ready to install this one. Turn the card to the right side. Okay. Ready to install this back. Remember, open this part.
Okay.
Screw them back. Okay, move the carriage a little bit left, ready to cover back here, and not here, cover here. 2 pieces of screw. Okay, now we are getting ready to install back the left side of the covers. Here, just here, here. Okay, now cover back. And also other side. Okay, because we are doing the DTF print, so here that's the roller we're damaging the print. So we need to move the rollers. Just keep on this two piece that we print. We can print for by A3 plus size. Okay, moving even this one for keep A3 size. So we are print A3 plus here, this one for the demo. Okay, the front piece just easy to be. Okay, it's to work, get them out. Okay. Okay, remember the very important, this one for A3 film size and this one for A3 plus. Or others we can move it. Now we're cleaning all the roller out. We need to double check all of them. Okay, now we are already connecting the ink system with the carriage. Before we cover back the top cover, we need to connect the the power cable and turn on the machine to be checked. Get the power ready, connect the power. Okay, and turn on. Okay, this printer get the lighting with the ink. It's mean waiting to fill the ink. Even when you fill the ink, click this button, continue. It should be get ready. Okay, now we can to cover the top cover back. That's the connection should be ready. Remember one thing is more important here. Okay, now we'll get the printer off. Okay, the last step we should be to sit back the cover back. Okay. Okay, now in place of them. Okay, so get all the screw back. Now. Okay, now it should be done with the print. Now it should be done with install. Okay, this should finish the modify for epson printer for connect a DTF working. We should be more carefully for every step by step and check where everything is correct and following the video. Or if you have any more question or meet any problem during your modify, try to contact us. So next video we will showing how to refill the ink and how to working with the ink system and how to set in the printing software get ready to print. If you have any question or you are interested to modify printer with your DTF print, welcome to following us. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye.